Today, we're going to unbox the BG02 and demonstrate how to operate it. This is the product manual. This is our BG02 main unit. It features a stylish and minimalist design with a high-quality finish. Once powered on, the screen will light up and display Magic. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer. Connect to the Magic Wi-Fi network. After a few seconds, the browser will open the configuration page. Click the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open the toolbar. Click Network Settings and select Wi-Fi. Automatically enter your 4G Wi-Fi network name and password. After finishing the settings, click Confirm, then click Restart. After connecting the device, a web address will appear on its screen. Enter the address in your browser to access the backend page. Click the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open the toolbar. Click Mining Pool to enter the mining pool settings. Fill in the mining pool information dot, including the stratum, address, port, wallet address, or username. Swipe down for the backup pool. After finishing your settings, click Confirm and then Restart to complete the setup. All settings, deployment, and debugging of the device are completed. It runs in good condition and is ready for normal operation.